My name is Bill Horbaly, and I'm one of the founders of Connected Technology. We are residential service electricians, and we specialize in electric vehicle chargers, solar, and whole house batteries. And we've been in business since the middle of 2016, and we have had opportunity to install many battery systems. We love the features that the whole house battery systems provide for our customers. But it seems like each brand that we've used had something that was not good, something not perfect, still issues and problems for our customers that we weren't able to resolve. So when we began to look at the specifications for the epcube, it looked like it really could provide a lot of good options. Some of the things in particular that we really appreciate about it are the maximum power throughput. Where we live, customers like to run their air conditioners all the time. We have very hot climate, and having a battery system that is very difficult or doesn't support air conditioners very well is not really a good option for our customers. So having high throughput, high surge capacities that can help support one or two air conditioning systems is a really valuable feature for us. Secondarily, the modular option is fantastic for our customers. Provides huge functionality for us as well. So the customers who are just wanting to take advantage of net metering 3 pricing or have very basic backup options, we can provide a small system, or the customers who have multiple air conditioners that want to have everything backed up as a whole house, the epcube allows us to do that as well. I think that some of the best things, not just in being able to meet our customer needs better, but the consistency and the short amount of time that's required to do the commissioning. It's very much a plug and play option. It works very quickly and very reliably. And being able to stack batteries without having to do additional wiring for each battery that's installed saves us a lot of time in our installation. Many of the competitors' products that we have installed many of weigh over 300 pounds, require special lifting equipment. We're always concerned putting them in and out of vehicles and putting them in customers' houses, that we have to follow very careful procedures and standards to make sure that there are no injuries. Having a much lighter modular system, as a business owner, it reduces my concern about injuries, and it allows transportation for us and storage as well to be much easier and much more effective. It's pretty amazing to me too that the aesthetic, the final product, which I like to say looks very Buck Rogers. I think the other part that we would like to take advantage of is that has the option to be able to do AC and DC coupling. So traditionally we've been an installer that does AC systems. We use microinverters instead of string inverters. But with the understanding of the efficiencies that are created by using a DC inverter, especially in the round-trip efficiency savings of being able to provide DC electricity directly into the batteries, that's something that we feel like we can now adequately explore and provide an additional solar option for our customers that we haven't had before.